Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Jasmine Robledo Suarez from Grade 11 STEM 2 Persistence. And today, I'm going to discuss about one of the most common yet devastating natural hazard, which is flood.
Floods occur when an overflow of water submerges land that is usually dry. They can happen anywhere, at any time, and can be triggered by heavy rainfall, melting snow, or even by the bursting of a dam. Take the Smith family for example. Last year, heavy rains caused the river near their home to swell. Within hours, their house was surrounded by water, leaving them stranded and terrified. But there are steps we can take to prepare for and stay safe during floods. First, it's essential to stay informed about flood risk in your area. And keep an eye on weather forecasts and listen to local authorities. If flooding is not stopping, move to a higher ground and never attempt to walk, swim, or drive through flood waters. Remember, just 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock you off your feet, and 2 feet can carry away most vehicles. In conclusion, floods are a serious threat, but by staying informed, prepared, and following safety measures, we can minimize their impact on our lives. As the saying goes, precaution is better than cure. Let's all do our part to stay safe and protect our communities. Thank you for watching.